how to send photos in TikTok message. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to add a personal touch to your TikTok conversations, you're in the right place. So today we're diving into how to send photos in TikTok messages. First, launch your TikTok app and then go to your message, head to the inbox section of the person where you want to message, and then here on the message bar you'll have a option that looks like a photo. Tap on it, but before that, the important tip is to send a photo to a person. You must follow each other. If you haven't followed each other yet, go ahead and do that. So after tapping on the icon, your gallery will open up, and then choose the photo that you want to send. You can even choose multiple photos, and you can even choose videos, and just tap on send, and there you go, your photo has been sent. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.